right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Busy day, as always. You know, this right off the bat, I know it might sound a little crazy, but lot to watch, but top of my list is a red to green on ANY. And I know what you're going to say. This fell apart. I know the offering. Okay, I know all of this. Okay, I know all of this exists. But ultimately, when I see again, and it's been a while since I've joked about the Cheeto fingers bros. But, I mean, listen, every bro that somehow managed to survive the squeeze from 8 to 12 is now chirping. Chirp, chirp, chirp. They're all crowing. They're all yapping about how they're geniuses to hold this thing overnight when it squeezed. I mean, look, right into that 8 p.m. close. So, now, understand. What did I say? Okay? Red to green. I'm not saying dip buy. Okay? I'm not saying 750, 850. No. A red to green, ideally in the afternoon, is the idea. Definitely top of the list for me. Now, if it never comes, I just set an alert. I'll have an alert at 9:50, 9:40, 9:50. But, again, I want to be clear, since I know a lot of you have selective hearing. Okay? I'm not talking about buying dips. Okay? There's a good chance, there's a very good chance, this never goes green on the day. But if it does, I'll be ready. Okay? Second is definitely APOP. One big thing I don't like about APOP is why you put out the PR at 4:30 at night. Why don't you drop the PR right now? I mean, you couldn't wait. You couldn't, instead of dropping it at 4:30 after the close, you couldn't just sit on that PR till this morning. But that being said, let me quickly draw it for you. And again, as always, drop your tickers in chat. I'm just kind of going over my two mains. You guys see me do this drawing a lot. Why do I have purple? Yuck. What a gross color. I do not like that purple. Anyway, as always, I talk about this almost every day. Currently, the hot is undefined. But what I would like to see is, and you've seen me draw this a million times, kind of this idea, what it's doing right now, chops around VWAP. Okay? Currently, I would, and again, I know you might be like, well, Tim, the high day is 985. But this is, I fixate. Day traders tend to fixate. I mean, everybody fixates on these whole dollar, half dollars, these key levels. Okay? So what I would like to see is just kind of some chop around. We get the market open. Maybe a VWAP fail to lure in the shorts. And then that reclaim of that 950 level, 945 or later. And this is one of those situations where I say in play all day. Number one, or several reasons why I say in play all day. Primary reason, okay, you've got float rotation. So it's already rotated the float. And it's Friday. I won't bore you with repeating. I almost repeat it every Friday, but I say whatever you can do to free up your Friday afternoons to trade these types of plays. Work with your schedule. Do what you can. So, all right, let's get to some questions here. Whoops, what am I? There we go. And Walleye Gill asks about APOP over 10, low float dip and rip. Yeah, again, Walleye, if you prefer 10, I certainly have no issue with that. For me right now, I'm kind of focused on 950 because that was the spike and fail last night and this morning. But, again, I'm not going to nitpick over. I mean, look, listen, this stock is up from 5 to 10. I'm not going to nitpick over 50 cents. If you prefer 10 for an entry, I'm not going to argue with you. I mean, in essence, we're talking the same idea. You just have a different target than I do. So by no means am I disagreeing. D. Hagler asked about ATER. Whoops. ATER. No volume. So D. Hagler, sorry. T. Murphy, MMAT. Yeah, this is definitely a top watch. And I would look for that reclaim of 6 and then risk on VWAP. This was didn't I kind of poo-poo this yesterday morning? I think I did, didn't I? I don't see my notes. Why don't I see it? I think, hey, and as always, I'll say this over and over and over again. Whoops, let me take my notes. Breakdown of ANY red to green and APOP dip and rip. So what I was about to say before I forgot to do my notes, I have no problem admitting I'm wrong, and this is something, again, I repeat this. Be very, very, very cautious. And Twitter's the worst for this, about these guys that are always right. And when they're wrong, they get really defensive. They block you. They call you an idiot. They mock you. Stuff like that. Listen, I don't have notes, but I'm pretty sure I downplayed MMAT. I don't think I really liked it. Had a beautiful close, squeezed in after hours. This is definitely a reclaim of 6 with risk on VWAP, and I got no problems admitting I was wrong. Love this on 6 reclaim, risk on VWAP. Higher float. So I'd wait till midday, late day. RDK asking about Sava. Sava is one of those ones where, again, I have no issue being wrong. There is such a battleground right now. A lot of these people. So here's the thing with Sava. Number one, higher price stock. And there's a lot of these biotech specialists out there. Well, I think they're... Here we go again. I think they're biotech specialists. Of course, they've all got these weird profile pics on Twitter. They've all got a fake name. They're all like biotech genius 84_33. They got a cartoon character for their avatar. Their location is like Mars or something. That being said, I've read the stuff. Evidently, Sava is sketchy. So I'd be careful with it just because the cartoon character biotech experts on Twitter say it's a scam. So and my thing is, it's a $2 billion market cap, high price stock. I think, listen, most of you guys and gals /gals have small accounts. You're trying to grow your small account. I would be more inclined to steer you towards the lower price stocks, the APOPs, the ANYs, etc. So do what you want, but I don't know. This is one of the times that I will tend to agree with the weirdos on Twitter, for what it's worth. It's Friday. Looks like IPHA could squeeze. Man, I don't know about that. This is not my type of pattern. And that is not a digital view. It's not a bash. It's just, I don't see anything here. Nicholas asked about Asana, and I'm going to wrap up on this. Couple things. We talked about Asana yesterday, and so understand love this. Love this red to green. I think it's going 100 plus, etc. Earnings winner, technology. So I got a lot of comments about Asana yesterday, and I love that you're not all penny stock degenerates. So understand what I do with the Steady Trade team. You know, you might have seen my blog posts. You might have seen some of the videos that I do. I'm not just a pure penny stock guy. And now, on pre-market prep, we lean towards, the $4 low float stocks that are up 300%, because that's what you guys have told me you want to focus on. And from a day trading perspective, listen, APOP, ANY, I mean, these are the best day trades. But if you're more interested in swing trades, if you're more interested in real stocks, I'm telling you, check out the Steady Trade team. I do hours of webinars a day, and we very frequently talk about real stocks, higher price stocks. It's not just, 400% runners. So that being said, Asana, love this as a week open red to green. Probably going to be on the weekend watch list, etc. And that being said, how do I end every Friday? Go to StocksToTrade.com/watchlist. Free watch list goes out every Sunday. And on that note, I'm guessing 99.999% of you know, but we do have some people that are international. So if you're international and you didn't know this, Monday is Labor Day in the U.S., so the stock market is closed. No pre-market prep on Monday. I'll probably still go live because I'm a degenerate and I love doing this stuff. So I don't know when, but follow all of our social media. But again, just so you know, stock market is closed Monday. I'll be back pre-market prep 8:30 Eastern, and you can sleep in on Monday is what I'm getting. So, all right, my friends, have a great day. Just give us that all I need for a happy 3-day weekend is a red to green on ANY. Might not get it. But if we do, we're going to blow up some Cheeto Fingers bros, and they're all going to have to spend all Labor Day weekend in Mom's basement cleaning the toilet. Because Mom's like, you're not moving back in unless you clean that disgusting toilet that I don't know what. Mom's like, I don't know what you do to that toilet, but you need to quit eating so many, what are the hot Cheetos? Like the fire hot Cheetos and Canadian Mist. Because Mom's like, I ain't going near that bathroom. So let's blow up the bros. Have a great holiday weekend, everyone. Take advantage of the time off. Go to StocksToTrade.com/watchlist. And hope to see you in the Steady Trade team. We'll see you next time.